The difference between discrete and process manufacturing is no rocket science. Let's figure it out here. Discrete manufacturing involves the production of distinct items whose components can be touched and counted. Its examples include automobiles, appliances, smartphones, computers, and other similar products that are manufactured along routing using bill of materials. On the other hand, process manufacturing involves production that adds value by forming, separating, mixing, filling, or performing chemical reactions in either batch or continuous mode. Examples include pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, chemicals, and paints. Discrete involves parts and systems like nuts and bolts, brackets, wires, assemblies, and individual products. Whereas in process manufacturing, products are created using a formula or recipe to refine raw ingredients. Here, the end product cannot be broken down to its basic components. To sum up, you can disassemble a car or a computer and return its parts to the stock. That's discrete manufacturing. But can you put up the ketchup back in the tomatoes? Obviously not. You simply cannot return it back to its basic components. That's process manufacturing for you. Quite naturally, both discrete and process manufacturing businesses require a separate ERP that understands their unique needs and fulfills them. If you are a process manufacturer, choose Batchmaster now.